Fully booked. Unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, fully booked. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you in everyday situations. So, let's dive in. Fully booked is a phrase that indicates no availability. It's often used in the context of hotels, restaurants, flights, or any service that requires a reservation. When something is fully booked, it means that all the spots or rooms have been reserved and there's no space left. To better grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. I tried to get a reservation at the restaurant, but they were fully booked. The hotel was fully booked for the weekend, so we had to look for another one. There are several synonyms you can use. Some of these include booked solid, no vacancy, sold out, no rooms, spots available. When you want to use fully booked in a sentence, you can say, "We are fully booked for the night. Would you like to try for tomorrow?" The flight to New York is fully booked. The next one with availability is on Tuesday. Let's visualize the concept. Imagine a calendar with every slot filled, a sign on a hotel that reads, "No vacancy," or a seating chart with no empty seats. And that's a wrap on fully booked. I hope this video has made the meaning clear and you can now use the phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is about building one block at a time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.